A round of applause for the IGP, please.
It gives me immense honor and deep personal satisfaction to welcome you all to this momentous occasion. The decoration of our newly elevated Deputy Inspectors General of Police, Assistant Inspectors General of Police, and Commissioners of Police. Today, we celebrate not just advancement in rank, but the affirmation of excellence, character, and distinguished service within the Nigerian Police Force. We mark not just promotion, but the reaffirmation of competence, trust, and integrity. This ceremony embodies the strength of our institution, the fairness of our processes, and the courage of those who have served faithfully through the years. To our newly elevated officers, I extend my heartfelt congratulations. Your elevation is a product of dedication, consistency, and unwavering commitment to the values of discipline, integrity, and patriotism. You have earned your place in this noble institution, and today's ceremony affirms that your efforts have not gone unnoticed. Advancement in rank brings with it a new horizon of duty. The higher we rise, the deeper our responsibility to serve with wisdom, restraint, and courage. Every insignia worn at this level must represent not privilege, but purpose. A reminder that authority is meaningful only when it uplifts the institution and strengthens public trust. Leadership at this level demands equity, justice, and fairness. The enduring values that define true authority and inspire confidence within and beyond the force. Your actions will set the tone for discipline, professionalism, and morale across the service. Therefore, lead with fairness, act with integrity, and let justice be your guiding light, both within the force and in your service to the public. Recent months have witnessed attempts by certain mischief makers to cast shadows on the credibility of our promotion process, particularly the accelerated promotion exercise conducted a few months ago. But truth stands taller than rumors. The Nigerian Police Force has nothing to hide and nothing to defend. Every promotion exercise conducted under this administration, including the accelerated promotion exercise, has followed due process, transparent, merit-based, and in strict conformity with established standards. There is no promotion scandal in the Nigerian Police Force. What we have is a system that rewards diligence, professionalism, and proven capacity. We will not be swayed by those who trade in falsehood or seek to undermine the integrity of our institution. Our commitment to fairness and merit remains unwavering. Promotions in the Nigerian Police Force today are guided solely by competence, performance, and discipline. There is no place for favoritism, nepotism, or tribal sentiment. This remains the cornerstone of our career management philosophy, for it motivates excellence, strengthens morale, and renews public trust in the force we proudly serve. As senior officers, you must uphold the highest ethical standards and redefine policing for our time. The landscape of crime is evolving, driven by technology, complexity, and global trends. The Nigerian people expect a force that is smarter, more responsive, and deeply connected to the communities. I therefore charge you to fully embrace the philosophy of community policing, the practice of intelligence-led policing, as you take on your new commands and your new duty posts. Harness technology, empower your personnel, and drive innovations that keep our operations one step ahead criminal enterprise. Let your commands become models of discipline, collaboration, and public trust. Let me take this moment to acknowledge with deep appreciation the unwavering support of His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR, whose visionary leadership continues to enhance the operational capacity and welfare of the Nigerian Police Force. His commitment to security reform and institutional strengthening inspires our continued transformation. I must also commend the chairman of the Police Service Commission, DIG Hashim Arugungu, retired, and the distinguished commissioners of the commission for their transparency, diligence, and sustained collaboration with the leadership of the force. Our shared commitment to a merit-driven process continues to reinforce the integrity of police administration in our country. Dear officers, today's elevation is not a reward for the past alone. It's an investment in the future of the Nigerian police force. The ranks you now wear represent trust placed in your judgment, courage, and capacity to lead. Leadership at your level demands clarity of vision, firmness of purpose, and moral courage. You must be examples of discipline, impartiality, and excellence in every command you hold. As you assume higher responsibilities, remember that leadership is measured not by rank, but by impact. Promotion brings privilege, but also deeper scrutiny. You must inspire your teams to uphold discipline, professionalism, and trust. I extend my sincere appreciation to the families of our newly promoted officers who have been silent strength behind every triumph, providing the patience, prayers, and stability that sustain your loved ones in service. Your sacrifices remind us that policing is not an individual duty, but a collective commitment to nation building. Together, we are building a modern, accountable, and people-focused police force, one that earns trust at home and respect abroad. Let your leadership embody this transformation. I once again congratulate all newly elevated officers who will be decorated here today, and those who will be decorated by their state commanders, and appreciate our distinguished guests and families who are present at this occasion. May your service bring honor to the force and progress to our nation. God bless the Nigerian Police Force and the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Group pictures will be taken. Daji Dankwara joined the Nigerian Police Force in 1992 as a kid in the University of Maiduguri in 2007. He has attended several courses, and on the job, he has been DPO Gombe Division in Bauchi State Police Command, Police Public Relations Officer, a whole lot of others. His hobbies include golf, tennis, and reading. He is happily married with children. DIG Dankwara Adamu Mohammed Kwara. Thank you very much, sir. All group photographs will take place outside. To save time, all group photographs will take place outside for the decoration. And his chosen person to join in the decoration. We thank you as you comply with this. Origin is Enugu State, Udi local government area. She joined the Nigeria Police Force, an assistant head of police on 10 association. She has served and headed police hospitals in Oyo, Ekiti, Rivers, FCT, and Lagos. She is a consultant to the United Nations AIDS program under the Part 2 program. Hails from Kano Municipal Local Government Area. He joined the Nigeria Police Force on June 10, 1994 as a cadet at Police, member Nigerian Bar Association, member Muslim Lawyers Association of Nigeria, member National Institute of Police